I've been working for Silversons for the past 35 years. I'm a centre lathe turner for Silversons and health and safety rep for the company guys who work here as well. This is a centre lathe. At the moment I'm dealing with an inline head. I shall be turning the inline head as accurate as I can with all the measuring equipment that we've got to keep it in the tolerances that the company work to. With a lathe, there's obviously safety features. We have guards, which keeps us safe, our safety glasses to keep us safe. We also have coolants. The coolants are to keep the cools nice and cool whilst cutting our stainless steel material.
What my job entails is taking a raw billet from the stores, programming it, putting it on my machine and making it into component or part. We work in imperial and metric measurements. Imperial measurements we work to 5/10 and sometimes even smaller depending on the job and how accurate it needs to be. The machining part of it can be quite hard, but also is quite rewarding at the same time.
Welding is basically a form of joining two bits of metal together. Here we have a base which comes to us in separate parts. We make sure the base is correct in the holes and the fitting for the machine to go on. If you don't get the holes in line, the machine will not fit and can't go to the customer. So everything has to be correct to the drawing. And sometimes if the drawing is slightly in error, it has to be right to the job. That's why it's a fabricating welding shop.
I'm in charge of the electrode discharge machines that you can see in the factory here. Now what we're doing at the moment, this is for L4R. This is a very small head, and what we do, we put this on the table like so, and then we spark it in a series of operations around a diameter until we come up with a product like this. Now after this particular product has been spark eroded around the outside, it will then go into inspection to be checked that I've actually manufactured it to the drawing up here. And then when it's all checked and cleared, then it will be deburred on a lathe and all the burrs taken off. And then it will be passed over to the L4R department for assembly.
I've been working here for 15 years. It's a very good atmosphere to work in, nice and relaxed and friendly. Where I work now is the gantry area, and mainly we do experimental work and testing new machines under here, which makes it much more interesting than the general run-of-the-mill putting machines together.
Here at Silversons, I assemble and fit all the machines. We test them to make sure they're safe for companies to use. I make about 2 machines a day and go through the testing process of using various different testing machines to make sure that this product's safe to use in a work environment.